loves, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Today is a super exciting vlog because this is the first one that I'm filming on my brand new camera. This is a Canon G7X Mark II, so definitely the stereotypical YouTube vlogger camera, but for good reason. It's a good quality camera, it's not too expensive, and it just is so portable. So before this, I've always used either my DSLR, which is a Canon T5i, or just my iPhone, which honestly, pretty good quality video for just like a phone. Like, it's such a good way to start out vlogging, and I can't recommend it enough. If you're thinking about starting a channel, you do not need to invest in equipment right away. You can, but it doesn't make or break a channel, right? Like, you could even start on like a webcam, and these days even webcams are really good quality. So not here to tell you that you need a camera to start out or anything, but I just had reached a point where I wanted to invest in another camera, and I felt like it would be a good way to get back into making videos. So also on that note, I know some of you probably clicked on this video just to watch me unbox this camera and also maybe a lens that I purchased alongside it. So if you're interested in that, I will go ahead and put the time code up here, and you can just skip ahead, and that's totally fine, I don't care. So today's vlog is also exciting because today is July 4th, so happy Independence Day weekend to my US viewers. I'm sure honestly that's most of you, but you know, I hope you have enjoyed the holiday weekend. By the time this goes up, it will be over, of course. So hopefully you had a great weekend and a great long weekend if you got a day off. I know I have Monday off, and I am so pumped to have an extra day to just relax and get a little space from work because things have been super busy lately. So today I'm actually going to be going into DC with my boyfriend and some of our friends, and we're going to go up to the rooftop of my office building so we can watch the fireworks, and I am so excited for that. I've been doing it for a couple of years. Of course, last year because of the pandemic, we weren't able to do that, but I really love spending at least part of the 4th in DC because I mean, it's our country's capital. Like, there's just a different level of energy there, and also the fireworks are incredible, and having the opportunity to watch them from a rooftop is just like on another level. And I'm so excited to do that again this year, and also take you guys along, play with this new camera, and just really have a great time. So definitely looking forward to our festivities this evening, but in the meantime, I would love to clean up around the apartment a little, and then I'm dreaming of like a pool day later this afternoon because we have a pretty nice pool at our apartment building, and I feel like it's very fitting for the 4th to go like lay by a pool for a while and just like enjoy the day. So that's my goal, but I definitely do want to get some cleaning and like laundry and other like normal weekend stuff done while I have the apartment to myself, because Ken is currently out at a Cars and Coffee event. So I feel like I'm most productive when he's not home because I'm just like here, and you know, there's nothing to distract me really. So I definitely want to get into that, but I did already have a pretty productive start to my day because I edited the unboxing part of this video. Anyway, I feel like we'll go ahead and just get into the day. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some breakfast, and while I'm working on that, I'll let you guys watch the unboxing. Hello friends, I have a very exciting package to open with you, and I'm super pumped right now. I definitely wanted to capture this unboxing because I haven't bought a new camera in a super long time, and I really felt like I needed a push to get back into making YouTube videos. So plus I've also like wanted a smaller vlogging camera for a super long time. And then I also purchased a new lens for the camera that I'm currently filming on. So definitely a bit of an investment in my channel, and also just everything that I want to do creatively. I did buy both refurbished, which is definitely something that I recommend to you guys, especially if you order directly from the company. So I ordered these directly from Canon, so they have a good warranty, and you know that they're like in good shape and basically good as new. I think it's a great way to get all kinds of electronics, and definitely saves you a little bit of money, and you're still getting the same product. So it's a great way to go. I also got my computer refurbished. Big believer in refurbished products personally. So this is packaged super nicely. We have tons of bubble wrap here, which I very much appreciate. And we've got my packing slip. This is so exciting. Interestingly enough, these boxes look the same, but I think they probably just use like whatever they have on hand. So these are actually PowerShot Vixia boxes, which is not what I ordered, but this one is the lens, which is a EF 24-105mm lens, and it has a 3.5 to 5.6 f-stop. It's also an STM lens, which I'm not like super well versed in camera gear, so excuse me for that in advance, but I do know that it has like it's a good motor for filming video because it's a very quiet motor as it autofocuses. So definitely a good bet there. And then I also have this box here, which is now my G7X. I think I'll open this box first because as much as I'm excited about the lens, I'm really pumped about the camera. So let's go ahead and open it. There's more bubble wrap, of course. I feel like this is actually so well packaged. So here's the manual and all of the paperwork. And then everything is all nice and safe in here. Much appreciated for shipping. So here we have, looks like the battery and the charger, and also I think the little wrist strap. So everything you need. This must be the camera itself. It's like very aggressively wrapped. But I'll probably give all this bubble wrap to my boyfriend Ken because he sells a lot of things on eBay, so he's always needing some good packing materials. Guys, I'm so excited for this. Oh, look at this beauty. It's funny, I've never actually held a G7X. I mean, I knew about what size they were just because like I've seen them on YouTube and I've seen people vlogging on them at YouTube events, but guys, she's so pretty. Look at her. Oh. And honestly, the build quality of like this flipping and everything feels super solid. I know people have issues though with this coming unscrewed, so I definitely will be careful with that. But oh my goodness, stunning. So here she is. I'll let my camera focus. There she is in all her glory. She looks beautiful. And as you can see, it's in perfect condition. There's no scratches or anything. So again, really recommend getting equipment refurbished because it's good as new and a good amount cheaper. So definitely super excited for this, like I mentioned, and the rest of this vlog will actually be filmed on this camera. So you'll get to see the quality of it and how it's working for me so far, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. But I already feel pretty good about this purchase because it's a very common vlogging camera on YouTube, and I personally just am such a diehard Canon fan and love all of their products so much. So really excited for this. All right, and now we'll get into unboxing my new lens. I really think this is going to be a good like everyday lens upgrade from my current lens, which is just the kit lens that came with my camera. This is packaged the same way with the like warranty information and everything, and then super well bubble wrapped again. There's like literal layers of it. Oh, this looks beautiful. I debated getting the L series version of this lens, but this just seemed like so much more of an affordable option, and I read that it's like more lightweight and really just easier to use. And since I'm not a super intense photographer, I didn't feel like I quite needed to go to that level just yet. But here it is, again in perfectly good condition and really good as new. So super excited for this as well. Look how beautiful. Oh. And I actually will go ahead and put this lens on the camera that I'm filming with now, and you guys can tell me if you see a difference in the quality. Transitioning to the new lens in 3, 2, 1. Boom, here is the new lens. I will let it focus. I feel like it focuses super quickly, which is nice. It also definitely is a much tighter angle, so that's a factor, but they are, you know, kind of like different millimeters, which again, don't know as much about lenses as I should, but this one definitely had good reviews for being a good, versatile everyday lens, and I'm really looking forward to playing with it. So let me know if you can see a difference in the quality. I hope so, but even if not, I know this is going to just be a lot more versatile than my little kit lens here. I can just show you guys the focusing capabilities here. Like it's struggling a little bit more, but maybe. Okay, so I don't know if this is really any faster than my kit lens, to be honest, but once it is focused, pretty sharp. That is pretty much it for this little unboxing portion of the video. I just thought this would be a fun thing to capture because it's been a while since I've invested in new gear, and getting a new lens and a whole new camera at the same time is pretty exciting. So definitely thought this would be fun to share with you guys, and we'll go ahead and get back into the vlog. right, I am back on the couch now. I have my breakfast, which you guys just saw me make, and I also emptied the dishwasher and refilled it while I was waiting for my bacon to cook. This is one of the ways I love to like meal prep for breakfast. I will just like cook like some sausage or some bacon and cook the whole package at once, and then just put the rest of the leftovers in the fridge, so then I can just like reheat it in the morning with some toast and fruit or whatever else I want to have, and it's just really easy for breakfast. So I'm going to enjoy this. It's really more of a brunch now because it's like 11 o'clock, but you know what? It's a lazy Sunday morning. This is a vibe, so just feeling it. And I'm also going to be watching some YouTube. So actually, wow, there's like a crazy glare on the screen, so I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see that, but I'm gonna be watching a Tim Tracker video. Definitely a big Disney fan, and I love their channel so much, so gonna enjoy this, and I will check in with you guys in a bit. Decided after I watched that video and like had my coffee and like was all chilling out that I really wanted to just do a quick little yoga practice. So I'm sure you guys just saw I did a little time lapse, so it's been fun to play with that. I'm looking forward to checking out how these turn out, and hopefully this vlog will be like entertaining for you guys to watch. But yeah, I just had a lot of tension in my upper back, and I know like usually I do yoga before I go to bed every night, but since I'm not sure how late I'm gonna be out tonight, I figured this was a good time to get in a yoga practice, and then if I want to do more yoga later, that's great. But also, since I had a lot of tension just like between my shoulders and just all in my upper back, I did a quick little 10-minute upper back and like shoulder yoga. So I will link that down below if I remember for you guys in case you want to check it out. It's by Yoga with Adriene, who is a pretty popular yoga YouTube channel, so I'm sure most of you guys have at least heard of her, even if you haven't done her practices. But that definitely is such a good one. It's super simple and quick, but my back and shoulders always feel so much better after I do it. I think I'm just really guilty of like the like hunched over like working kind of thing, you know, since I spend so much time on a laptop for work, and then also when I work on my own content, I'm also just kind of in the same position on my couch. So it's probably a sign I should make more use of my desk since I do have one, but I don't know. I'm just so comfortable on the couch that that's really where I feel like I do my best work, because I'm just like chilling out and I can really focus. So anyway, random thoughts with Cassie at the moment. But I just thought I'd share that I did some yoga with you guys. Definitely was a good time to do some, I think. I just really needed that, and I feel really like chill and kind of energized to continue on with my day. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower now and get ready for my day, and then maybe I'll try to get a couple more things done. But I also am still thinking about the pool and how nice that would be, so we'll see. Especially once Ken gets back, maybe we'll end up going out and doing something before we head to DC for the night. But I'm kind of open-ended. I'm just gonna get ready so that whatever I do next, I will be put together and not still in my pajamas. Hello friends, it is a few hours later now, and Ken and I are getting ready to head out to DC, but I thought beforehand I'd just go ahead and show you my outfit really quick. So here we are, definitely keeping it kind of simple this year. Sometimes I get more in like the festive mood, but I feel like this year I'm just keeping it like low-key but still a little festive. So I found this shirt at TJ Maxx for literally like $13, I think, and it just has some stars on it. It's a nice light little button-up number, and then underneath I'm actually just wearing a bathing suit top from American Eagle, or Aerie I guess, just so I can have a little pop of red. And then I just have on some basic American Eagle denim shorts, and I'm not even wearing shoes yet, but I'm just gonna wear some basic sandals. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head out now, and I will keep you guys posted. I'm not sure how much I'll actually vlog like walking around the city, because I'm not huge on vlogging in public, but we definitely will get some cool shots, and I will make sure to capture the fireworks for you guys because it's gonna be such an amazing view, and I'm so excited. friends, as you can tell now, it is the next day and we had such a good time last night. I really enjoyed getting to see the fireworks in DC and just feeling a little sense of normalcy. So definitely had such a great day yesterday, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm definitely still getting back into the swing of things, so just bear with me as I kind of try to find a new schedule and get back into the swing of things with making videos in general. This has been kind of a long hiatus period for me, and I really just want to get back into the swing of things. So it's going to take some time, but I'm excited to be hanging out with you guys again. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new here. I'd love to have you stick around and join the Curly Hair Love fam. With that being said, I will go ahead and go. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.